Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your web and app activities from Google Maps. Click your profile in the upper right hand side, then choose your data in Maps. You want to scroll down to where you'll find web and app activities. You want to open that feature here, scroll down. You will see some apps that you're currently using, but if you want to manage all of this, you want to choose manage all web and app activities at the bottom. Now here, if you scroll down, you will see all of your web and app activities. And I want to show you something. You can set this for auto deleting as well. So you have the option here that says auto delete. It's currently off. You can turn this on and you can set it that it deletes all of those activities within a certain time. So in this case, if I want to delete it after 18 months, or I have more options, 3 months, 18 months, and even 36 months, I can choose how to delete this. Now, if you're a person who don't really care about the data and want to keep your space and have enough space on your drive, then all of these small little activities are currently taking up space on your drive, right? So you want to go ahead and basically choose, let's say, the most shortest months, or depending on whatever you want, right? So you can go ahead and you can turn this on, right? So, but this is really optional. It's really up to you if you want to do that. But if you scroll down, you can see those web and app activities. So let's say I have something here on the Google TV that I visited. I can simply tap and exit that. And as you can see, it's currently deleting, right? So that's how you can easily delete these different things, guys. So if you're looking for how to delete those Google Web and App activities, this is how you can really go ahead and delete stuff, right? So you can go ahead and you can just scroll through, see what you want to delete, or you can just simply choose the option to just delete everything, right? So here you have, for example, the filter. You can tap on that and you can just do some mass delete if you so desire, right? You can delete for the last hour, all time, and all of these good stuff. And you can just go through and just choose the apps that you want to delete all of those activities from, and just go ahead and continue the process, and you can just delete whatever you want, guys. But that's all there is to it.